Today we are going to Don Quixote. Day 2, yeah. This is day 2. We're going to Don Quixote, yes. Yesterday we went to Dotonbury at night and there's a lot of people, but now it's just empty. Empty.
Dotonbori in the morning. So we're going to Don Quixote there, the big Don Quixote. When you walk across Dotonbori, yan yung makikita in front. Today our itinerary, we're just going to Donkey first and then have lunch, and then later in the afternoon we're going to the aquarium for the kids. Okay, I'll show you later when we're in Donkey. Ang makikita doon. Come with us in Donkey. Punta muna tayo guys sa Donkey. Dahil napakainit ngayon. Donkey time. Ria, kuha ka ng basket or... sa taas ba? Sa taas ba tayo? Yan. Donkey. Bili tayo ng sunblock. May gandam na agad dito. Masaya na agad si Raiso.
This is the new one.
This is the new one. What's that?
Against the like enemy gun.
Okay, how much? Yan. Ito may mga electric fan. Hindi ko alam. Wag mo ko tanungin. I don't know.
Tingin-tingin pa lang si...
Oh, waka dalawa.
Isa lang. Sige, dalawa.
Ay, ito yata yung wrinkle reducer, oh.
Ha?
Wrinkle reducer. Eh, bakit kailangan natin wrinkle reducer? Eh, may nagpa-plancha naman. Ito, kuha ko ng mga sunblock na stick. Ano ba ito? Mga eyelashes. Ito ang cart namin. Ang dami namin dala. Payong, electric fan. Ready for the heat.
Consistent with the Boy Scout motto of laging handa.
Laging handa. Baka biglang umulan, mainit, kasi ulan. May pabango pa sila. Mga pabango. Wait Ang hirap mag-vlog guys ng namimili. Parang gusto ko tong pink. Kung ano man siya. Green. Ayan, ito. Ano ba to? Facial wash na nasa... Ito yung pinabili sa akin dati. Nila Deo. Tayo sa third floor, guys. So, sa second floor, puro mga pang-hair, perfumes, mga sunblock, toothbrush, hair oil, conditioners. Ngayon, sa third floor, I think mga snacks. Andyan ang mga bata. So, anong nahanap nyo?
I got this before.
Okay.
It's magnet. Miguel wanted this.
Milo?
Milo.
May Milo pa raw.
Sige, ano mo na. Tapos pakita mo yun. So, one unique feature of Don Quixote is they have exotic flavors of Kit Kat. So, other than the Milo one, see, there are many flavors. So, see, from green tea matcha to strawberry. What's that? Ayan, may milk tea pa. Milk tea flavor.
Cheesecake pa.
See, and they even have a unique Osaka packaged flavor.
Ito, favorite nila, Ria. Pakita mo yung favorite mo. Ang dami namin binili na ganyan. How does it taste like?
Garlic.
Garlic, and then you spread it on toast, di ba?
Yeah, the bread.
Parang garlic butter toast siya. And hindi masyadong matapang yung taste ng garlic. Very light lang. And then our favorite ichiran. Kaya lang kung bibili na tayo nito, ang bigat nito eh. No, babe? Yeah, ichiran. Hindi na, ano floor na to, Ria? Third floor. Toys na daw. Toys ba to? Ano yan?
The food like this.
The food like that. Meron
This is American.
may ganyan ka naman na, kitchen.
I know, but where's the food? I want
Ha, nandun na, sa baba. The snacks. Later.
Mario.
Balik tayo. Meron ako nakita other side. Ito yung bag ni Ria. Bumili tayo nito. Cute yung Hello Kitty, no? Meron ding maliit. May maliit na bag. And then, the same bigger bag. Pero ito, hindi backpack. Anong hinahanap ni Raquel? Kung bibili ka rito, baka hapon pa yun. Datin maintindihan yung laptop.
Malay mo, baka matuto siya
Mga, match, ano ba yan? Ang tawag dyan? Car? Wala. Ano ba hinahanap mo, Raiso?
Where is those ones?
It's a surprise.
Blind box? Wala yatang laptop dito, Raquel eh. Ng camera. Kids camera. It's 7,099 yen. Is going back into the past and wants Tamagotchi. Dati may Tamagotchi din ako.
No more laptop ha, if you buy that.
So hindi ka na magpabili ng laptop ha kung Tamagotchi. Bakit ba nabuhay ang mga Tamagotchi? Black and white pa yata to. At si Ria gusto ng blind box. Ano yan? What color did you get, Raquel? Yellow? Yellow Tamagotchi? Okay, wag mo walain yan Third floor. Fourth floor. Ang mga nandito, mga souvenirs.
They're like water.
Oo, ayan. Cute, no? Parang kampay. Ayan, kukuha ako nito. Upuan. Para pag nag-aantay sa Universal or sa Disney. Haba ang pila. Mga bata na iinip.
I'm not.
Ano yan?
I want a Quaza.
And so, bayad na tayo, guys. So, merong, if you go to the website of Donkey, meron kayong makikitang coupon. You get 10%, 5% off for a minimum purchase. So, don't miss out on that, guys. Kasi may makakakuha kayo ng discount. Oh, sorry! My hat. Hi! Lunchtime na! And we're here in Ichiran. Medyo mahaba yung pila pagpasok. And we're still waiting for our food. We already gave our order.
Hello everyone, we're gonna eat now. We're in the pan.
In Ichiran.
In it's one. We're gonna eat now.
So you wanna sit here on the stool or there?
Here. No. Oh.
So you can show your food here.
I want to do my.
Garagay lang yung order here. And then we're gonna take it. They're gonna take it. May tao dyan sa loob. And then there's water.
To answer like
Water.
questionnaire.
There's your chopsticks and then
Drink water.
wipes.
失礼いたします。お待たせいたしました。失礼いたします。お待たせいたしました。
Arigato. Wow. Oh, arigato gozaimasu. Kamusta? Kamusta, Rachel? How is it? Yummy? Daddy, how is it? Oishi. Itadakimasu. Mecha oishi. Tapos na kami, guys. Tapos na rin si Rachel. Si Daddy tapos na din. Kamusta?
Oishi.
Sa akin, okay din. Ang in-order ko, may garlic and then may konting spicy. Kasi kung walang garlic or yung richness ng sauce, parang walang lasa. So, mas maganda, i-recommend ko guys, may konting spice and may garlic. And then yung soup is rich. Medyo medium or richer. Yun. Ushi. Tapos na rin sila. Tapos na na? Okay. Tumisabit lang sa likod. At ang gamit namin na sa likod.